Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here we want to find the limit of this function square root of x minus 1 over x to the power of 2 minus 1, where x goes to 1. I believe the difficulty level of this question is medium, and we have shown that by this orange color, making it easier for you to browse among the videos and find those which are more interesting for you. Alright, to solve this, well, I can immediately replace x by 1. Then we will get square root of 1 minus 1 over 1 to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. And this is an indeterminate form, which means this needs further manipulation. We already show you that if we have a minus b, if we multiply this to its conjugate, which is a plus b, then it will give us a squared minus b squared. And this is very good to get rid of this square root here. Okay, so I would do that. I will multiply this to square root of x plus 1, the conjugate form of this. And since I don't want to change the function, I have to multiply to 1. That means I have to multiply the denominator to square root of x plus 1 as well. And this equals to the limit of, well, we know we have a squared minus b squared. Well, in this case, it would be square root of x squared minus 1 squared, which is x minus 1. And in the denominator, we would have x squared minus 1 times square root of x plus 1, okay, where x goes to 1. And now I can write this denominator x squared minus 1 in this form. I can write it as x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, so if I rewrite this limit, then I can rewrite it as this way. We have x minus 1 on denominator, and then here we have x minus 1 times x plus 1 times the square root of x plus 1. Okay, and it says that this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 cancel out each other, and what is left is the limit of 1 over x plus 1 times the square root of x plus 1, okay, where x goes 1. And this equals, okay, now maybe it's the best time that I can replace x by 1, and it says, well, I can use this color, 1 over 1 plus 1 times square root of 1 plus 1. And this is 1 over 4. And we know 1 over 4 is 0.25. All right. That means this is the right answer for this question.